Hi guys, I literally went for Choice Park and I saw this one. I saw this big fridge. It's a toys. We're going to unbox this. Okay, look, it even has something. It's this one. I like it. That's why I buy it. It says it has so many things. I don't know how many things. It said open, close the cupboard. It's just a cupboard. If we put a drink into cabinet, press down and can get the drink. Okay. Light and music are coming from this. Na na na. This is from Na 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 Surprise. Let's unbox. Okay, and if I get so many likes for this video, I will reveal my face. Okay, let's open it. I already opened Kinder Joy. I get this one. And let's open this. I'm so excited. Look at this. We have so many things. That's okay. Let's open this one. And we got this one. Okay, guys. And guys, literally, we have this one. We have to open this and put some batteries that we can on and off the lights. I offed it. And let's open this first. First up part. I'm so scared. It doesn't have any things, but we need to put things. Look, guys, it's definitely empty at all. It has so many surprises, I think. Let's see the surprises. I already have a doll. I could show you literally in the video, but I'm gonna go and get the doll. And I have this doll. Guys, this is my doll. I just show you guys, but it has some. I have a doll house for this doll. Let's open this cabinet for the thing surprise. It has a rubber band. First we need to remove the rubber band. So excited. Ooh, I removed it. Definitely. How long is this rubber band? Ooh, it's a cabinet. We have the things. And we need to unbox this also. What we should get. We have so many things. Let's see. It's a small cake in a tree, a milk, and a juice, and a peach juice, and a milk box, and the sports juice, fruit toffee and drinks, and some salmon, donuts, peanut, and a box of ice cream. Let's organize them. We put the juice milk here. We need to arrange them here. Done. We arrange them. We put them we have this juice cabinet. It's definitely clean, right? The milk, juice, all the things. That's all. And guys, I'm gonna organize them. These doors are closing. It's okay. Juice. What is this cabinet for? I don't know. Let's see the box. The cabinet. Nothing. I don't. Oh, this cabinet. Oh, we have it. Donuts. Ice cream for the apple fudge. What we put here? Nothing. Coffee. So we have drinks and some milk. For toffee. I got that. Drink. Oh. Cake also up. I can put the cake up. Put it down. Oh, here. No. It can't be fit this cake. So we can fit here. Okay, guys. This cake can be fit here. Let's see a place for the cake. Ice cream, come here. Those cake. This is also can not fit in. Pizza go down, go up. Let's go here. What are these buttons?